What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button to support your boys. Today we're back on the 2014 Chevy Silverado, and as you can see, we got the truck chained down to the frame. We do have to do a little bit of frame work. We already took some measurements diagonally, and it's only off by about 1/4 of an inch. But right here, our frame rail on the left side is pushed up a little bit. If you look at this fender, it's not really wanting to line up, and the radiator support sits on top of that. So we've already got everything set up. Let's go ahead and give it our first pull. Oh yeah, keep going. Go a little bit more. Looks like that first pull did the trick. Now it's starting to line up a little bit better. Bruno's over here supervising, making sure everything is under control. I think I just beat NASCAR's record right there. Psych. Oh shoot. What's up, guys? It's the next day, and today we're back on the Silverado. We've been a little sidetracked with the other builds that we got, but we pretty much got the framework all squared away. We just had to pull this frame rail down just a little bit, and then we also had to pull this front suspension. And then the only other thing that's going to be holding us up is this inner grill or grill adapter, whatever you want to call it. We got that on order from the dealer, but it's going to take about 7 days. We pretty much had the parts for the whole front end. A subscriber reached out and said he had it, and I was supposed to meet up with him last week, but now I can't get a hold of him, so I'm not sure what happened. We're gonna have to go with plan B. But for now, let's go ahead and jump on our headlights, get the grill installed, and then we'll move on from there. Oh yeah, time for the headlights.
Dang, son, that looks mean right there.
Check out that gloss black finish. I was thinking about color matching it with the truck, but I really do like how it matches with the roof. Who knows, we'll probably even finish off the mirrors and the handles in the gloss black finish too. It's gonna look really good.
Oh yeah, for sure. Maybe even the grill, some parts of the grill.
Yeah, check out that fitment. Nice. Let's go ahead and get this other one on.
Shoot, that fits up great, man. What you talking about?
I don't know, should we do a color match on the grill and either black it out or color match it with the truck? Let us know down in the comments. So we pretty much got the front end all complete. We are still missing the bumper and the hood. We're not going to be repairing the one that we bought. It's got a little bit more damage than we expected. However, it is an aluminum hood and it's like $900 at the dealer. So if you do have a used one and got any leads, let me know. My email's in the description or I'll post it right up here. But for now, let's go ahead and jump on the leveling kit we got for the truck, and then we'll be ready to take it off the frame. Dang, that thing is stuck on there.
Keep on hammering.
There we go. Oh, it's trying to drop down. Better get out of the way.
There we go.
Alright, so now all we gotta do is just take off those 4 bolts right there, add our little spacer, which is right over here.
Moto Fab.
Moto Fab, we already got some thread locker on the studs right over here, and we got those torqued down to spec. Now let's go ahead and install this real quick, and then we'll get the truck off the frame. And this impact right here is really worth the money. I didn't even break these bolts off. It's really powerful. It's got a lot of torque on it. Watch this.
Dang, you manhandling that thing.
There we go. Now we just slap this on there, and then we'll be ready to go on the other side.
Let's get it done.
Let's keep moving. Just a little bit of thread locker to seal the deal. I don't think you really have to pull the upper control arm off, but it does make it a little bit easier and give you more room. So we got it off. Now let's go ahead and install this bad boy back in. Very easy to cross thread those bolts back there. So I think the trick is to go ahead and start with those, and then you just push this down, and then you just guide it into here.
There you go.
Dang, dude, are you feeling any taller in there?
Oh man, I'm sitting high up in here.
Look at that. Check that out, guys. I'm trying to spin the tires on this thing. Hold the brake.
Man, that's full throttle, man.
What's it doing? Is the traction light on or something?
No, it's doing the same thing my BMW will do. It won't give no gas.
Yeah, there's because it's restricted. Try that again. You gotta turn the ABS off. There's gotta be a way.
Oh, right here. I think I got it.
Woo! All right, boys, that's a wrap for this episode. We got the framework knocked out on the Chevy, and the truck is starting to come together. We also got the leveling kit installed just to give the truck a more aggressive look and a nicer stance when we do fit some bigger wheels and tires on it, but still be able to daily drive the truck. If you do have any suggestions, let me know down in the comments. And I know we kind of slowed this build down, and that's because parts were kind of high at the dealer for the Chevy, so we try to stay within the budget and source everything used. We should have everything coming in within the next week. But on a good note, we did get a cab for the Ram 2500. I'm going to get started on that in just a little bit. With all this said, thank you guys for all the love and support. And if you are new on the channel, hit that subscribe button to support the channel. Follow us on Instagram at DannyTV. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to drop a fat like. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. And I'm out. I'll catch you in the next one.